In today's digital age, cybersecurity is more important than ever. With the increasing use of technology and the internet, cyber threats are becoming more prevalent and sophisticated. To help you protect your personal and professional information, we have compiled a list of the top 8 cybersecurity tips. So stay tuned till end of the video and don't miss any of these. But before continuing further, kindly hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon, so you never miss any update from us. Let's continue with our video. Number 8. Never leave devices unattended. Leaving devices unattended is a risky behavior that can lead to the loss of important data and personal information. When devices such as laptops, smartphones, or tablets are left unattended, they are vulnerable to theft, unauthorized access, and other security threats. Here are some reasons why you should never leave your devices unattended. Protects against theft. Leaving devices unattended in public places can make them an easy target for thieves. Safeguards sensitive data. Unattended devices can give unauthorized individuals access to your personal and sensitive data. By taking the necessary precautions and never leaving your devices unattended, you can help protect yourself against security threats and safeguard your personal information. It is always best to keep your devices with you or store them in a safe and secure location. Number 7. Use mobile devices safely. Mobile devices, such as smartphones and tablets, have become an essential part of our daily lives, allowing us to stay connected and productive on the go. However, it is important to use these devices safely to protect our personal information and prevent security threats. Here are some tips to use mobile devices safely. Use a passcode or biometric authentication. Secure your mobile device with a passcode or biometric authentication, such as fingerprint or face recognition, to prevent unauthorized access. Install software updates. Regularly update your mobile device's software to ensure that it has the latest security patches and features. Download apps from trusted sources. Only download apps from trusted sources, such as the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, to prevent malware and security threats. By following these tips, you can help ensure that your mobile devices remain secure and your personal information is protected while on the go. Number 6. Back up your data. Backing up your data is an essential practice that can help you protect your personal and professional files from being lost due to unexpected events such as hardware failure, natural disasters, or cyber attacks. Losing important data can be frustrating and time-consuming, but having a backup can help you quickly recover your files and continue working without any major disruptions. To back up your data, you can use various methods such as external hard drives, cloud storage, or backup software. It is essential to choose a method that works best for you and to regularly back up your data to ensure that it remains safe and up to date. By taking the time to back up your data, you can enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing that your important information is safe and accessible, even in the event of unexpected events. Number 5. Install antivirus or anti-malware protection. Installing antivirus and anti-malware protection is essential for protecting your computer from malicious software and security threats. Antivirus software scans your computer for viruses, worms, and other malicious programs that can compromise your personal information and damage your computer system. Number 4. Be careful what you click. In today's digital age, it is important to be careful about what you click on while browsing the internet. Clicking on the wrong link or downloading the wrong file can lead to viruses, malware, and other security threats that can compromise your personal information and even your entire computer system. Here are some tips to keep in mind when clicking on links or downloading files. Be wary of unsolicited emails. If you receive an email from an unknown sender or with suspicious content, avoid clicking on any links or downloading any attachments. Use trusted sources for downloads. Only download files from trusted sources, such as the official website of the software or application you are trying to download. Being careful about what you click on while browsing the internet is essential for protecting your personal information and computer system from security threats. By following these tips, you can help ensure that you stay safe while browsing the internet. Number 3. Practice good password management. Good password management is crucial in protecting your online accounts from unauthorized access. Passwords are the primary means of authentication for most online services, and a strong, unique password can help prevent your personal information from falling into the wrong hands. Here are some best practices to follow for good password management. Use strong passwords. A strong password should contain a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using easily guessable information like your name or birth date, and use different passwords for different accounts. Use a password manager. A password manager is a tool that securely stores and manages all of your passwords in one place. This eliminates the need to remember multiple passwords and makes it easier to use strong, unique passwords for each account. Enable two-factor authentication. Two-factor authentication provides an extra layer of security by requiring a code or verification from a separate device or app in addition to your password. By following these best practices for good password management, you can better protect your online accounts and personal information from cyber threats. Number 2. Keep software up to date. Keeping your software up to date is a critical aspect of maintaining your computer's security and functionality. Outdated software can leave your computer vulnerable to security threats and may lead to poor performance or even system crashes. Software updates often include security patches that address vulnerabilities that could be exploited by malicious actors. In addition to enhancing security, software updates can also provide new features and improvements that can help to optimize your computer's performance and make it more efficient. It is important to regularly check for updates to all software installed on your computer, including your operating system, web browser, and other applications. Many software programs will prompt you to install updates automatically, but it is still important to check for updates periodically, as some updates may not be installed automatically or may require your approval. Keeping your software up to date is critical for maintaining your computer's security and performance. Regularly checking for updates and installing them promptly can help to ensure that your computer remains protected from security threats and that it is operating at its optimal level. Number 1. Avoid phishing scams. Beware of suspicious emails and phone calls. Phishing scams are a type of online scam that are used to deceive people into providing sensitive information like passwords, credit card numbers, and other personal data. These scams often come in the form of emails, phone calls, or text messages that appear to be legitimate, but are actually designed to trick people into giving away their personal information. To avoid falling victim to phishing scams, it is important to be vigilant and to keep your guard up whenever you receive an unsolicited email, phone call, or text message. Always be suspicious of any communication that asks you to provide personal information or to click on a link that takes you to a website where you are asked to enter your information. Some common signs that an email or phone call may be a phishing scam include poor grammar or spelling errors, urgent or threatening language, requests for personal information, and suspicious-looking links or attachments. If you receive a suspicious email or phone call, do not respond to it or click on any links or attachments. We hope that you have enjoyed our video. Kindly give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon, so you never miss any update from us. Thanks for watching the video.